Good morning, students. Today in class 4 we will learn about ENV subjects. Lesson first. Going to school. You all come to school or you all go to school anywhere at any place by various means. Means sadhana, vehicle, etc. So here we will learn in our country India, in various parts of India, and various states. How do the children go to school? We will learn about this. This is our part 1. So, first is bamboo bridge. Bamboo bridge. It rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain, there is knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with other. We quickly cross the bamboo and rock bridge to reach school. Here are some children who are going to school by bamboo bridge. You know, bridge is made from bamboo. Children stand in one hand books and in one hand bamboo, and they go to school by crossing the bamboo bridge. You know, some areas in India, it rains very high and many parts submerged in rain. So there people use bamboo bridge. Second one is the trolley. Trolley, where the trolley is being used? Ladakh. Everywhere we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the sides, it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley, an open box made of wood, attached with the rope. 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of river in short time. Here is trolley. In Ladakh, our students go to school by trolley because there are very wide and deep rivers. And in rainy season, all filled with water, so our children in Ladakh sit in trolley. You know, the ropes are bound in trees or rocks, and on pulley the trolley sleeps and lifts children from one place to that other place. We often need to go across some water bodies. So we use bridges. These are made of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. Third one is bridge. Bridge is made from cement, bricks and iron rods. In our areas, you have seen, or you may have been seen that many bridges are there. You know, this type of bridge are made for to cross river or any watery area. And next one is Vallam. Vallam is, in some parts of Kerala, we use a Vallam, small wooden boat to reach school. Vallam means a small wooden boat. Kerala. You know, in Kerala, there is used vallam, a small wooden boat. Here you can see. From one place to another by water, a vallam boat is being used in Kerala. Next one is camel cart. Camel cart means ऊंट गाड़ी, जो कैमल होता है उसकी गाड़ी. So in राजस्थान, ये राजस्थान में यूज होता है. राजस्थान. We live in the desert. There is sand all around. देखो राजस्थान में all around sand है. Sand means रेती. It gets very hot in the day. दिन में बहुत गर्मी होती है. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. और यहाँ पे बच्चे हैं, वो कैमल कार्ट में बैठ के स्कूल जाते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सैंड है और हॉट है वेरी. फिर आता है बुलॉक कार्ट. बुलॉक कार्ट जो विलेजेस होते हैं प्लेन एरियाज में, वहां पे बुलॉक कार्ट यूज होता है. बुलॉक कार्ट, हियर यू कैन सी कैमल कार्ट एंड bullock cart. We ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields. Green fields means हरे हरे खेत, उनमें से स्कूल जाना है तो हम हैं bullock cart यानी बैलगाड़ी यूज करते हैं. If it is too sunny or raining, we use our umbrellas. अगर बहुत सनी है, सनी मीन्स बहुत गर्मी वाला दिन है, सूर्य प्रकाश ज्यादा है, तो अम्ब्रेला, और रैनी है तो भी अम्ब्रेला यूज करते हैं. तो यहां पे हमने अलग अलग जगहों पे बच्चे, स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ डू दे गो टू स्कूल इन various parts of India, in various states of India, in various conditions in India. There are 6 types of, this is half part, second part we will learn in next period. Thus, this lecture ends here. Goodbye.